Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jem, I'm a software developer, and in today's video, we will talk about the top 3 most popular programming languages of 2021. You don't have to learn all of them, but if you can work with at least one of these languages, it will help you to find more job opportunities in different fields and maybe even with a better salary. So we are going to compare and analyze together these programming languages under 5 main factors, such as the popularity trend over the last 5 years, the difficulty of learning that programming language, how many job openings there are, and I will also show you how you can search for your local market, the average salary for these programming languages, and on which fields of software development they are being used. So the first programming language that we are going to analyze is Java. Java is a strongly typed object-oriented programming language that is being widely used in corporate companies and in enterprise applications. According to Google Trends, Java is in today's top 3 most popular programming languages, but when we look at the last 5 years, Java is slightly losing its popularity since 2016, but still there are a lot of opportunities for Java in the software development industry, and I don't think that Java will disappear that quickly. It will be still around for a long time. The next question is, how difficult is Java to learn? Now, if you are already familiar with another programming language, then I will say learning Java won't be a problem for you. But if you are a new beginner, then I don't think Java is a very beginner-friendly language, but it is also not that difficult. So I will give, let's say, a moderate difficulty for beginners to learn Java. Now let's look at how many job openings are there for Java. And I'm going to use a website called Indeed.com. There are also other websites that you can check like Glassdoor or LinkedIn for this kind of information. But for this video, we are going to use Indeed.com and I will choose the United States as the location. You can also change this as your local country from here and the results will be different. So the opening positions for Java in the United States are around 38,000. And the average salary is over $100,000 per year, again for the United States. Java is being used in fields like mobile application development, more specifically for Android applications, backend development, server apps, and so on. Okay, our next one of the most popular programming languages is JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language for building websites and web-based applications. So, according to Google Trends, JavaScript is slightly less popular than Java, but other sources are claiming that JavaScript is actually growing and will become more important in the future because today you can do much more things with JavaScript and I will come back to this point very soon. But before that, let me answer the question of the difficulty of learning JavaScript. Now, similar to Java, if you have some experience with another programming language, then you can learn Java or JavaScript much easier. But for complete beginners, I believe that JavaScript is not that easy to learn because JavaScript is huge and it has changed a lot over time. JavaScript includes things like functional programming, DOM management, or object-oriented programming, which came later to the JavaScript world with ES6. So understanding all of these terms can be overwhelming for beginners. Therefore, I will give a moderate difficulty for JavaScript as well. And the opening positions for JavaScript, again in the United States, are around 36,000. But if you search as a front-end developer or if you include keywords like Angular, React, or Node.js, then there will be also more job openings. So learning JavaScript will definitely bring you many job opportunities. And the average salary of a JavaScript developer in the United States is around $110,000 per year. Now, the usage of JavaScript is also increasing. In the past, it was being used only in front-end development for browsers actually, but today it is also possible to be used together in the backend side with Node.js. So basically you can work both in the front and in the backend side as a full-stack developer, which also increases the salary and the job opportunities of a web developer. So if you want to build a career in web development, then basically you have to learn JavaScript. Okay, and our top of the list is coming now. The most popular today's number one fastest growing programming language is Python. Python is a high-level, object-oriented programming language which is around for more than 30 years and supported by a large community. As we can see from the graphics of Google Trends, Python has an increasing trend and is becoming more and more popular each year. So if you compare these three languages for the past 12 months, we see that Python is at number one. But the question is, why is Python becoming so popular? Well, the first reason is because Python has a very simple and a very beginner-friendly syntax. So that's why I say Python is an easy programming language and to learn, and for beginners it will be a great choice to start learning coding with Python. And the second reason is that Python is not only for programmers. Python can also be used by people from different professions. There are a lot of fields that use Python, such as data science, AI and machine learning, automation, web development and application development. And currently in May 2021, the average salary of a Python developer is $108,000 per year in the United States, and there are more than currently 29,000 of job openings in the same country. So as you see, each of these three programming languages will open you a lot of opportunities. Of course, each of them are very important to know, but you don't have to learn all of them. If you achieve to master at least one of these languages, then you will have enough opportunities to find a job in 2021. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you do, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching.